Welcome back, guys. This is your favorite online business coach, Taiwo Yusuff, and I'm here in this video to welcome you guys back to my video channel where I'll be sharing a lot of my online business videos and trainings, and likewise my social media profile. This is my Facebook page. Well, I've been receiving a lot of questions. The last time I posted a video like this was about 2 years ago, so I get asked frequently most of the time, where have you been, Taiwo? Where have you been, Taiwo? What's the latest online, Taiwo? What have you been doing, Taiwo? Can we have the latest information online, and all sort of questions like that. So well, I'm still very much present on this internet space, though I have been silent. I stopped sending emails to my subscribers due to one or two reasons best known to me, and I rarely post videos basically. But I'm here to tell you the good news now, guys. I'm fully back online, and I'll be sharing most of my teachings with you guys mostly on my video channel. Yeah. So but over the years, I've been busy with two major things basically. I've been killing the network marketing niche and e-commerce. So I'll be showing you a few of my results so far with the network marketing and the e-commerce. So far so good. With I started with network marketing around 2017 through 2018, and it's been a wonderful year for me. I did over 30 million naira in sales with one of the leading network companies in Nigeria, and I have some results to show you. There's a particular product I was selling for one of the leading network marketing companies then, which was a supplement, basically a supplement. So I used to run a video advertisement. So one of my videos did over 3 million views, and it raked in over 1,000 sales for that particular product. These are the screenshots I posted on my Facebook. Can you see some of the videos did over 1.3 million views? Another one did 1.3 million views. Another one did over 240,000 views with good numbers of shares as well. You can see 533 shares, 2,282 shares. So one of my video marketing videos went viral then, and I had a lot of sales. So thereby I got awarded with a giant check from the company then back in 2018. So I posted it here on my Facebook on June 24th 2018. So the name of the company is Brain Life. I think most of us might be familiar with it. So I was one of their leading marketers, and I did wonderful well, and they rewarded some of us, and it was all up there in their yearly magazine and the rest. So this is the picture of the check that was presented to me. Okay, that about that. And before I moved over to e-commerce business is a very lucrative one, and anyone can make money with it if you know your onions. So with e-commerce, I've been doing excellently well also. In the last 1 year, I must have done over 50 million naira in sales with e-commerce. Well, as much as I don't like showing off, I would just want to just briefly show you some of my account statement from the e-commerce business. This is one of my this is one of my emails where I received bank notification from daily sales of my e-commerce products. So dated to far back 2019. I couldn't get earlier dates, but I think from this email account I started getting notifications from about July 2019. And if you can see here on daily basis, this is July 31st 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, about 200,000 naira in summation. If you have to sum up all these seven payments here, it's about 200,000 naira that was received to this particular account. The next month on the year, which is August, the first day of August, about eight payments also summing to another 150,000 naira, over 100 and I think this is over 110,000 naira as well in summation. So as you can see, this is what my account looks like the last 1 year. Can we see this is August 2019. Let's check it backwards a bit. Okay, this is still August 14, August 10, August 12, August 13, August 19, 23, 24, and so on, like that till, let's move down to 2020. Okay, this is like towards, let me bring it back to page 4. Okay, this is where, like January 2020, I was still running the e-commerce business and I was getting paid on the dailies. As you can see, this is January 2020, 17, 19, 21st of January. See the credit alert from GT Bank, and you can see the email from GT Bank. Then let's take it backward a bit. Okay, this is towards the end of January 2020. This is 30th of January 2020. We can see all these screenshots. I mean, the email notifications from banks, 67,000, 53,500 on a particular day. So on the average, I make about 150,000 to this my GT Bank account on a day, on a single day. So let me see if we can get the latest date. Okay, February 2020. We have March 2020, and recently today's date is we're in April now, so I stopped recently due to this coronavirus of a thing, and it has put a lot of businesses on hold, because e-commerce business lies, we import a lot of product from China, then we resell them here in Nigeria. So it's been, I think the last one of the recent payments was March 2018, and this April I've only gotten a payment to my bank account. So what this is telling us that e-commerce was lucrative before this coronavirus came in. So what next? Okay, taking you backwards a bit, to answer the question, what have I been up to? I just told you that I've been busy with network marketing and e-commerce business. Likewise, I did a lot of one-on-one trainings for my students, and I focused more on personal mentorship and coaching. So I have some of my students that comes to my office, and I had to take them on one-on-one trainings. So the COVID-19 pandemic that I just started recently and got to Nigeria has put a lot of businesses on hold, and due to popular demand, some of my students have been demanding that I give them new content. What is the way forward? What is the new business to do to survive with in this period, especially the lockdown period? So I've been doing research for a couple of weeks now, and I've come up with a handful of helpful information that can put money into your bank account once again. So some of the videos I'll be making will cut across teachings on how you can earn with cryptocurrency, how you can earn with your social media accounts, how you can join affiliate networks and start earning, then how to set up information marketing, and a whole lot more trainings will be communicated to us on this particular channel. So Likewise, if you have any other niche of business that you want me to talk about or make videos for, so kindly drop it in the comment of this video. I'll be glad to put you through and share informations about them. So again, it's nice to connect with you guys again. Well, I remain my humble self. So this is my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and share this video if you find it very helpful. Likewise, once you subscribe, remember to tick the bell notification by the side. It will get you notified first whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching.